Hello! Today we'll be making some origami frogs that can jump. And for this craft you'll need some paper, any sort will work, and have some coloring tools on the side because they'll come in handy later. We'll be using a square piece of paper today, so I'll quickly show you how to do that with a rectangular piece for those who don't have square paper. So first you would want to fold the paper diagonally and then fold the bottom upwards like this to create a fold, and then we would eventually want to remove the bottom rectangular strip to make our square. Before we start folding, I want to show you guys a little drawing exercise. We'll be decorating our square paper with patterns, and since we're making frogs today, we'll be basing our patterns on frog skin. I will be using this image as a demo, but feel free to find any image of frogs online to do this exercise with. Seen in this image, we see patterns like stripes on the back and circular shapes on the limbs. We can take these lines and shapes as inspiration to create our own patterns for our frogs. This frog is yellow, turquoise, and black. We can also take inspiration from these colors and use it in our own designs as well. I saw the yellow stripes on the back of the frog first, so I started with that, and then I saw the turquoise circles, so I went on with those. You will notice new details as you go, so feel free to just follow your creative flow and add in some of your own elements as well. So, get creative and fill up your page. My camera stopped recording, but here are my end results. Pause the video in the next few seconds to complete your own design. I've included some frog images for you guys to reference, but feel free to find your own. Come back when you're done. Alright, welcome back. We'll start folding the frog now. You will want to start with the back side up. So the first step is to fold your paper in half like this, both horizontally and vertically. You then want to press it in half in the direction you want your pattern to go in and fold it in half again to create a crease. Okay. Unfold, fold diagonally from the top down, and press it down. Yes, press it, press it, press it. Unfold, fold down again diagonally with the other side. Press it down again. Make sure to line it up along the edge. And unfold. Flip the paper over. Bring the top down to the center and press it down again to create a crease. Alright, unfold and flip it over. Bring the two sides inwards and flatten the paper into a triangle shape, following your fold lines. Should be fairly easy. And then fold the bottom of the paper to the center. And press it down along to form a crease. And then fold the two sides inwards towards the center. I started with the left, but you can start with the right side if you want. You will end up with an arrow shape like this. And then you would want to fold the bottom upwards to the center. It will be a little stiff because the paper is a little thick now, but you can do it. And then fold the two corners of that bottom piece inwards towards the center. Press it down. Then you would want to unfold the last couple of steps and bring the bottom flaps outwards into this boat shape. And then bring the flaps of the boat downwards. Okay, so now we'll be starting with the making of the limbs. You would want to fold the top diagonally upwards and then the other side, and repeat the same for the bottom. Once you're done with that, you would want to fold the bottom of the frog along the center, and then fold the edge back down to create the frog's spring. And ta-da! We are now done. Congrats! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys had fun, and go have a froggy race with your friend to see whose frog can jump the farthest.